Affiliate marketers, stop getting paid peanuts promoting other people's products and opportunities, okay? How much are you getting paid for all your hard work? Are you getting 20%, 30%, 50%, 60% commission, maybe 80% commission? What if you could actually get paid 100% commissions paid instantly and directly to you? Yes, you heard me right. What if you could cut out the middleman and get paid directly? No more waiting to hit your minimum withdrawals. No more waiting for your withdrawals to come through. No more paying withdrawal fees. You can actually get paid instantly and directly, okay? So if I was in your shoes, I would want to know, okay, what is this you're talking about? And is it working for you? Is it working for other people? Well, if those are the questions that you have, you're in the right place at the right time, because I'll show you real-time proof of my income and how our community is getting on. But before I do that, who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm studying full-time for my degree in business and marketing. I smashed my first year, and I'm based in Dublin, Ireland, but I'm back here on vacation in Malawi, where I'm from. I'm here in beside Mulanje Mountain. So you can see that that's the highest mountain in Malawi, right? And then behind me there is Mozambique, right? We're at the border of Mozambique. So while I'm studying full-time and I'm full-time single parent of 2 children, I actually work 2 hours a week, focus hours on income producing activities, building my home-based business. So even now I'm on vacation, but I'm still working my 2 hours a week. And this is what I want to share with you, income proof of the Legacy Builders program, which is absolutely on fire. It's viral at the moment, okay? So let me go ahead and share with you what I have here. So if I go to my email here, you can see 5th of July, I got a notification letting me know I'd earned $900. And then 17th of July, that's about 12 days later, I got a notification saying I earned $300. So that's a total of $1,200 and in about 20 days since I set up my system, and 108 leads, okay? So not only is the system working for me, we have a community here of, let me show you, a community of over 30,000. There were 27,000 when I joined about 20 days ago, but now we have over 30,000. So 2,000 have joined in the past 20 days. And if I go to my community here, show you proof of the wins that people are sharing their wins. So 13 hours ago, Nomveliso said 900 sell during my live session. So she was live and the first time I made 2 $900 sales in one day, right? So she made $200 in one day. The first one was during my live session, and then the second one 30 minutes later, plus 4 $100 commissions. That's $2,200 for the day. Congratulations, girl. Keep doing you. Keep rocking it. Soon, 3 hours ago, said almost 900 in the last 7 days. That's almost 17,000 rands in 7 days, right? Let me see. Lizelle, 3 hours ago, 1,600 this morning. A month's salary in a couple of hours. This program is changing lives. Daryl Hannah, 1,700 this morning, 21 hours ago. Martha, 8 minutes ago. Let's see, that's not a win. 9 days ago, 1,200 towards July challenge. We have a 90-day challenge. Let's go. So 1,200, and Jenny has a goal of 10K in July, okay? Her Monica's 18-year-old student athlete daughter joins. Congratulations. Halfway through the month, I get to pay myself again. What a beautiful reflection. 15 Cecilia 3 days ago. 15 days, 6,600 later, right? 16 days, 6,016. 15 days and $6,600. She's in South Africa. That's 116,000 rands, okay? Zile, 28 days ago, I bought a BMW cash. South Africans, where are you? Wow, you go, girl. 16 hours ago, $100 ding. Congratulations. Rochelle, let's see. My first sale, Teresa, 16 hours ago, over the moon, right? June 8th, 1,800 made in the first 6 days. Congratulations. $200 this morning, Jenny. And 20K 2 days ago, Christelle, 22 days ago, 20,000 the first 15 days of July. She's in South Africa, so 365,000 rands. And video views, my first sale a day ago, Beverly, $900. Glory to God. I woke up to $1,800. Angela, 7 days ago. I finally got the courage to go live. My first 1,800 4 days ago. Yeah, so 900 10 hours ago. Tim, $900 win, right? And he's welcoming the new member to the community as well. Okay, so the system not only works for me, even though I'm working it on vacation, it's working for countless. We have over 400 pages of people sharing their the income proof. So what I want to do is invite you to click the link below to actually learn more about our step-by-step proven blueprint. This proven blueprint was put together by our leader Michelle, the creator Michelle, who went from 0 to 1.6 million in 20 months, right? And she is on a mission to help other people to create more millionaires, and she's sharing her secrets. And not only do you get the training, you get live coaching and mentorship. Let me show you here our live coaching and mentorship. If I just go here and I go to calendar, right? So I have a free webinar coming up in 6 hours, and that's the free webinar. And then an hour later, we have live mentoring with Cecilia. And then 2 hours later, we have technical support calls. So you can actually jump on the technical support and get the help that you want. You can jump onto the mentoring and get live coaching and mentoring where you can unmute yourself. You go into breakout rooms. Very, very powerful. Okay. So I want to invite you, if you're sick and tired of trying to do everything by yourself, I want to invite you to join our community and get access to our tools and resources and start building your home-based business. Okay, we're here to help you in any way that we can. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.